Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to make an Easter egg paper squishy. So let's get into this. Okay, so now you need to get a cereal box, some pieces of paper and some scissors, and you need to, with your white pieces of paper, measure out the sides of the cereal box like I'm doing here, and then after that you need to draw on one of the big pieces of paper a egg shape, then cut that out so that it's like a little window, and then leave all the others like they are, and then you need to decorate them. So I did the creativity egg, but you can do whatever you want. You've got all your sides decorated. You need to get the cereal box and some glue. You can use glue stick, but we didn't have any glue stick, so I just used some craft glue. And what you need to do is just stick all the sides down, and then you have to cut the middle bit out where the egg hole is, like I do here. What you need to do is cut down one of the sides with a pair of scissors, and like this, and then you need to open the box after you've done that, and you can use cling film or sellotape, but I first of all tried out sellotape for the window. And if you are going to use sellotape, you're going to have to tape one side fully, and then you have to turn it over and then do the other bit so that the sides aren't sticky. But in the end I actually used cling film because it was so much easier, because when you use cling film you just have to get a sheet of cling film and then just lay it down onto the hole and then just tape it down. So I would definitely recommend cling film, not sellotape for this one. Come back for part 2.